Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to our reaction channel. And if this is your first time, let me officially welcome you on board. Over here, we react to funny content from TikTok. Basically, we just want to have a laugh and have a nice time. We don't do too much. Pardon me, my voice is a little bit fucked up because I got the flu, not the corona. I just got the flu, and I hope I'll be okay until like tomorrow. So without wasting any much of our time, let's get straight into the video. This one is pop the least attractive person's balloon or find love. I know some of you have seen videos like this definitely on TikTok or even on YouTube, but I found some of the content to be very funny. So let's check out this one.
Okay, hey, can we get you right here? Damn.
Respectfully.
He didn't even walk in yet. He didn't even like walk. He didn't even get in the camera frame yet. That's
Damn, you didn't
crazy.
even get to walk. Okay, we good. Hey, hold on. What's your name?
Zay,
All right, Zay. How old are you?
26.
26? I ain't gonna lie. Let me ask why they pop their balloons. Let me ask.
Yeah, I want to know too.
Let me ask here. Why you pop your balloon?
Okay, so you just the height. No, I like tall, but your face. You're not ugly though. It's just the height. Okay, period. Confidence, key.
Okay.
I like your shoes too.
What about you? Why you pop it?
Just not my type.
It's not your type. Man, I ain't gonna lie. They being harsh on everybody so far. What about you?
No, the height's all right. I'm not picky about height as long as you're not like a foot shorter than me. That's a little bit crazy, but the fit's not bringing the energy. You didn't really walk in here with the confidence.
He didn't even walk in before y'all popped the balloon though. He didn't even get to say hi before y'all popped the balloon. What is you talking about, bro?
And the energy. If you did, it might have been a different story, and I'm gonna speak for all the ladies here. It might have been different.
Yeah, hey, hold on.
After rip, y'all popped the balloon. Like, what is you saying?
Let him just took 2 steps in this motherfucker, like, you know what I'm saying? This
Nah, I ain't gonna lie though. I don't know why they did that. You look good. Your cut look clean.
You know what I'm saying?
That is crazy. You only did 2 steps.
Yeah, about 2 steps. It's all good.
That's all right. Look, brother.
They don't know what they're missing out on, that's all.
Hey, talk your stuff.
You know what I'm saying?
All right, look. Hey, all right, ladies. Hold on. All right, brother. Unfortunately, we couldn't find your match.
It's all cool.
It's a bit harsh in here. Look, they've been popping on everybody. I wouldn't even trip.
Yeah, nah.
But unfortunately, we ain't find your match. Thank you for stepping in. Yes, sir. Can you go over there?
Hey, bro, I swear on a regular day, most of these ladies, bro, are not even a 5. I swear, they're not even a 5 on a regular day. They just be on camera and they want to feel themselves and they just start popping balloons, bro. Like some of them on this clip, bro, they're ugly as hell. I'm not even lying, bro. They're not even supposed to be here.
Okay, bet. This one right here, he been the first one to pop every time. Come here. Oh, because y'all know each other?
Yeah, that's gang.
All right, wait. You slide down real quick. Bet. You know what they say about them niggas, they saying they gang and shit.
I could have said gang.
So all these niggas gang. All right, bet. So y'all ain't crushing this? Gang. I ain't even finna put y'all on the spot like that. All right. Nah, I ain't gonna put y'all on
Gang?
the spot like that.
What you mean, gang?
Okay, it ain't like that? All right, bet. Okay, bet. All right, so pretty much, man, these guys right here, obviously they find some interest in you based off of appearance. Now we finna attack your mind. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
So, how many bodies do you have?
Ooh, okay.
I'm not even gonna lie. I don't tell nobody my body count. Like it's not like high. It's like regular. I just don't be liking like.
What do you mean it's not high, it's just regular? Anything can be regular. What you mean regular? What does regular mean? 10 could be regular. 20 could be regular. 30 could be regular. Heck, like what you mean regular though? Like I wanna know. I swear she wouldn't say it. She won't say it, bro.
I wouldn't want to tell my body count to like 600,000 people.
Here, well, you come up here. Come here. So you wouldn't want to tell your body count to any of these guys right here?
No. I mean, it's not nothing like secretive, but it's just a little, it's just like, damn.
Nah, it's up there. It's up there.
My guys, I feel like my guys just don't judge. You get what I'm saying?
I don't know about that.
All right, so pretty much they kept their balloons based off of that one. So, do you do threesomes?
What?
I haven't done one, but I'm down for one. Either two bad or like a nigga and a bitch.
Okay, I thought you were about to say it. All right, glad you didn't say that one. All right, do you believe in God best friends while in a relationship?
Honestly, I think it depends on the situation. Like, if they were friends before me, like, at least, like, you know, like, there's middle school best friends that grow
No,
up
I'm saying,
together.
would you have a God best friend while in a
I
relationship?
wouldn't have a guy best friend. I feel like my man would be enough.
Okay.
And I personally don't have one right now, so it's like, why would I get one then? I
Type
don't think
shit.
I could see myself with a guy best friend.
I,
So, you know,
I like
Okay,
that.
do you believe in get back? Say one of my guys right here,
No.
they cheated on you.
No.
You don't?
my lick back is upping on your ass. So
Just leaving?
Upping, like upgrading,
What?
everything. Like, I'm not about to be like, oh yeah, upping that.
She was talking about it.
No, like, I'm not about to fight fire with fire. Like, I'll just leave. Like, that's my
Hey,
peace.
hey, bro! I swear, when she said, "Up your ass." Okay, me, I'm not from the USA, and I'm not from Chicago, but I know for sure. But I know for a fact when they say "up on your ass," that means pull a gun on your ass. So I thought, wait, what? You about to shoot someone? But I'm glad she explained herself because I was like, wait, what? Okay, let's go.
At this point, like, I'm not about to be cheating back or doing that. That's just childish to me.
Okay. So pretty much my guys loving what you saying, type shit. So now my guys, y'all don't have a chance to pop anymore. Now she gets to ask a question. Before you ask a question, I'm gonna need you to eliminate two guys from them.
This
What happened to the rest of the video? It just ended like that. That's crazy. Where is the rest of the video, bro? That's oh man, why?
I heard that you do TikTok. My man can't be on TikTok, so I will pass.
Why not? Makes me money.
That's good for you because I do it too.
Wait, what? So she said, so she's on TikTok, but she said her man can't be on TikTok. How does that make sense? Make that make sense, like make that make sense, bro. Like, what you mean? What you mean? Your man can't be on TikTok, but you can be on TikTok. People, people be making money on TikTok. What you mean? That's crazy, bro. That man, these ladies on this show, bro, they're crazy.
Still stepping clean. But hold on. It's my turn now. Do you want to say something?
She said clean.
I don't care. I'll take it. I'll take it to Crepes and clean, and they'll clean it for me. Do you get it? It's not that deep. But you're petty, so this is why you don't do TikTok, guys.
Bro, nah, she killed him, bro. She mad at him, bro. That's mad. Damn, that she killed him, fam. That's crazy, bro. She
The
killed him
girls
on that
pop their
one.
balloons to reject the guy.
Why did you pop your balloon for Stefano?
What? No. No, bro. No, bro. Why would you do that, bro? No, why would you do that? How do I? Oh, fuck. Why would you do that, bro? No, you just. No, those Air Force Ones are screaming for help. Those Air Force Ones are screaming, let me go. Let me go. Let me go. Damn, bro, that's crazy. I never in my life would I think he will. I mean, not a guy, and not just a guy, bro. A brown skinned dude. Hell nah, fam. That's crazy. You know what? I will understand if they all pop their balloons because this one just can't fly like this. This just can't fly, bro. Nah, that's crazy. You know, there's a stereotype about like certain types of people who be wearing shoes like this, and then a brother. Come on now, you can do better, bro. You can do better, bro. Why? How would you put something like this onto a dating show on TV? Nah, bro, you fucked up. You fucked up, bro. Nah, you fucked up, bro. That's crazy. You fucked up, bro. Nah, you fucked up. Nah.
He needs some milk.
Sorry.
Ah,
Is it what? Is it because of the AF ones and?
They're just mash up.
they're mashed up, bro.
Sorry.
I know. Why would you do that to us, man? Why would you do that to us? That's crazy, man.
The
Damn.
guys pop their balloons to reject the girl.
Now write down the name of the guy that you're feeling the most. Pre all these delicious, tantalizing men.
Pause, bro. What you mean? Pause. You gotta pause that one.
Zende, the power is in your hands. Pick the guy that you like the most and pop the other one. Who you thinking? Oh, you loading it up? She loading it up. The power. Ooh, damn, you guys getting close. I'm feeling the chemistry, at least. So, do you think that she picked you from the start?
Yeah.
Confidence, yeah? Mm-hmm. All right, cool. Why's your face like that?
Nothing.
Uh-oh. Show the camera who you chose first. Show the camera. I know shows.
The six.
Wait. Okay. Wait. So what does it say? What does it say on there?
I'm 6.
No. What does it say on there?
6.
Nah, don't play with me now.
The camera's seen Daddy 6, so you gonna claim your Daddy 6. You know what I'm saying? All right, you man, go off, man.
See, what I would really like to know is, right, do they really be dating after the show? Like, or is it just like for fun? Do they really be like, go on dates and try to like know each other and try to have like really, really date and have a relationship? Or is just like for show or some? Because I'm curious. I would love it if there would be like an after show where they would invite them back to the show, and ask them how the dating life has been and blah, 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 everything, type shit. I'm just curious, I think that would be fun.
The girls pop their balloon to reject the guy.
Isn't that the same girl who just got mashed in the previous clip? She's back again. That's what I'm saying. Is it just for like show or are they actually like serious?
Some of your lives. Yeah, pop your balloon.
You're too sassy when your belly literally looks expired. Expired.
You know what? You have a valid point.
wanna hear
But let me tell you something about investment. This £7 in town, but it's made me a couple racks still. Shh. Next.
Valid. That's valid.
My name is Dr. Elam. I'm 38 years old, and
Hey, I swear, I know most of y'all know Dr. Elon. If you be on TikTok, you should know Dr. Elon. I don't personally know him. I've seen a couple of clips on TikTok, just like my name is Dr. Elon, and then like pop because of it. I don't know for some reason. Whenever he says his name and his age, he's like type shit. But he is funny though. How he be speaking and sounding, he's funny.
I popped my balloon after listening to you.
Okay, damn. Okay.
Damn.
Have you had therapy before?
No, you want to be my therapist? I think you're too into that because I don't need therapy. I'm fine.
I
Everything
can
is good.
definitely afford you financially, but maybe not emotionally.
Damn. I would love to see the full video on that one. Why he would say that. What she
If you
said
didn't like
that made him
anything
say
that he
that.
said, you can pop your balloon.
Damn.
Okay. We still got one girl left. All right. So, why did you pop your balloon? Jaden King, come through.
I'm so sorry. Like, I did not understand what you're saying.
I'm sorry, I don't understand broke.
Damn.
Well, I speak too many languages and my brain is not functioning right now.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
What?
And who told you I'm broke? I make my own money. I have my own business. So now what?
Either I have earwax in my ears or you're still speaking broke because I just hear mute.
Damn.
I'm just saying that I don't really understand what you said.
Why did you pop your balloon?
So I'm just not attracted, to be honest. Like, I don't want the Valentine's you know, not interested.
I would have got you nothing.
I would have got you nothing too. You don't deserve anything.
The things that I want, you can't afford.
Damn. Bro just kept going. That
Girls
is
pop the balloons to reject the
You
guy.
say whatever you want to say, bro, to impress all of them.
Samoa! Watu! Samoa! Yeah! Watu! Samoa! Yeah! Samoa!
I'm pretty sure the is not Samoan, bro. That's like an African thing, or like I don't know, Eastern European thing, but like the is not Samoan. I don't know why she would do that, but okay. She did it again.
Do I hear any pop?
That's it. That's it. That's the end of it. Anyways, man, I hope y'all enjoyed that video. That was a short one, but I hope y'all enjoyed the video at least. There will be a part 2 definitely. So I'm gonna make another video for tomorrow. I hope y'all enjoyed this one and have a great weekend. Me, I'm going to go sip some more tea because you can definitely hear from how I sound. I'm fucked up, but I'll be good. I'll be great, and I'll see you guys on the next video. We out.